Hi guys! Kyla here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, we will do yet another phone unboxing and also a phone review of Realme 11 4G. Which mag-release ito sa Philippines on November 9, 2023. So kung hindi nyo alam guys, nakagawa na ako ng aking phone review and phone unboxing ng Realme 11 Pro 5G. And you can watch it here on my YouTube channel and I will also provide a link in the description below. So join me for today's video as I unbox and also tell the specs of Realme 11 4G. Now let us start with the unboxing. Inside the box, makikita natin dito ang quick start guide, a SIM ejector tool, at isang free jelly case. Sunod naman ay makikita na natin ang Realme 11 4G. Dito sa kanyang box, makikita rin natin ang 67 watts Super VOOC charger. And finally, a Type-C cable. Now let's talk about the design. So as you can see guys, ang meron akong color dito is yung color Glory Gold. And it has another color variant which is the Dark Glory. So if we look closely into the design guys, may makikita tayong letter S shape sa kanyang light. Meron siyang S-shaped light effect, which is very luxurious guys at napakaganda kung titignan mo kasi napaka-unique lang na maka-form ka na usually nakikita natin mga light rays is straight, diba? Horizontal straight, but this is different guys. Nakaka-form siya ng S-shaped light effect. So just by judging from the design of the Realme 11 4G, you can already feel a very luxurious and very premium feel. So now let us move on to the body build of the Realme 11 4G. So dito sa Realme 11 4G guys, meron siyang pahaba na 159.9mm at meron din siyang palapad na 73.3mm. At para sa kanyang kapal, meron siyang 8mm tip. And for the weight, it has a 178 grams of weight. For the right side guys, dito natin makikita ang power button and also the volume buttons. So dito naman sa kanyang left side, dito natin makikita ang card slot. Now for the bottom side guys, we have here the audio jack, charging port, and also the speakers. So now let us check kung ito ba ay dual SIM or single SIM. So as you can see guys, it is a dual SIM at dito pwede rin tayo maglagay ng microSD for more storage. Ngayon ay pag-usapan naman natin ang performance ng Realme 11 4G. So para sa processor ng Realme 11 4G, meron siyang MediaTek Helio G99. At para naman sa kanyang refresh rate guys, meron siyang 90Hz refresh rate. Ang Realme 11 4G ay mayroong storage na 256GB at meron din siyang RAM na 8GB, which you can extend to another 8GB. So katulad nga ng sinabi ko guys kanina, is meron siyang additional storage sa kanyang microSD. And now let's talk about the display of the Realme 11 4G. So para naman sa kanyang display guys, meron siyang Super AMOLED screen display. So i-share ko lang din sa inyo guys na napakaganda ang AMOLED screen display. So why is it better? It is better kasi with AMOLED screen, you can have brighter range of colors and better contrast. So personally guys, mas gusto ko ang mga AMOLED screen kasi with AMOLED, you can have better contrast and better screen colors, resulting in more vibrant images and videos. At para naman sa kanyang screen guys, meron siyang 6.4 inches na screen with 1080 by 2400 pixels. So ngayon ay pag-usapan naman natin ang gaming performance ng Realme 11 4G. Para naman sa gaming guys, meron siyang game engine which helps you to have a better gaming experience. Sakto lang siya at hindi ka makakaramdam ng masyadong lag when it comes to gaming. And now let's talk about the battery of Realme 11 4G. So para sa kanyang battery guys, meron siyang 5000 mAh battery with a 67 watts Super VOOC charge. So ang kagandahan nito guys is in just 18 minutes, you can already have 50% of charge here on your battery. And now let's proceed with the camera of the Realme 11 4G. So sa kanyang likod guys, meron siyang 108 megapixels wide camera and also a 2 megapixels of depth camera. At para naman sa kanyang front camera guys, meron siyang 16 megapixels. So dito sa Realme 11 4G, meron siyang 1080p resolution with 30 frames per second. So para malaman nyo guys kung ano ang mga outcome ng pictures and videos dito sa Realme 11 4G, I have prepared a couple of shots for you to see. So kung nagustuhan nyo guys ang specs ni Realme 11 4G, don't be shy and go buy the Realme 11 4G. Wow, it rhymes! So yun lang guys, thank you very much for watching, and again, don't forget to buy the Realme 11 4G right now.